The opening of our second manufacturing facility in Guadalajara, Mexico, represents a significant expansion of our global manufacturing capacity, one that optimizes supply and distribution chains throughout North America and the world. The new Molex Guadalajara facility also affirms our commitment to supporting the world's auto manufacturers and parts suppliers in the development of highly connected, next-generation vehicles. We are proud of our nearly 40-year history in Mexico's technology hub. The addition of our new facility allows us to build on existing relationships with the community and provide more opportunities for its talented workers. Guadalajara is our largest facility in the region, and it's been designed and equipped from the start to both maximize production efficiency and create a foundation for potential future expansion. Advanced technology assists team members in moving and tracking material and products throughout the facility. Extensive use of robotics and an automated central material feed system streamline manufacturing, storage, and distribution. While producing the highest quality finished products, we're also minimizing unnecessary waste and reducing environmental impact. Buildings are constructed with roofing membranes and double-pane vacuum-insulated glass windows that reduce heat transfer, keeping work areas cooler. Programmable and natural lighting and other sustainability-focused amenities, such as smart air systems, minimize unnecessary waste, reduce environmental impact, and create a highly ergonomic workplace. Health and safety staff are on site to ensure the well-being of team members and visitors at all times. Team members benefit from amenities that include a full-service kitchen and lunchroom, recreation rooms, and a well-equipped fitness center. The site also features a basketball court, volleyball court, and a full-sized football pitch. By leveraging state-of-the-art innovations, prioritizing the needs of our customers and team members, and applying our environmental stewardship principles, our new facility shows how, at Molex, we're creating connections for life.